Oh God. Oh God.
Graceland, Graceland. I'm going to Graceland.
What kind of face was that? It went like.
Graceland, Graceland. I'm going to Graceland. The reason I cannot explain, there's some part of me wants to see Graceland.
Or up this pizza pub. It's Brandon!
Terminally pretty. She held him up and he held up for ransom in the heart of the cold, cold city. He had a nasty reputation as a cruel dude. They said he was ruthless, they said he was cruel. They had one thing in common, they were good and bad. She said, faster, faster, the lights are turning red. Life in the fast lane, surely make you lose your mind. Life in the fast lane.
Oh, Brandon, wait, where are you going? I told you he's ditching us. He ditched us. That bozo, he's a bozo. Is he gonna come back? Do you think he's gonna come back?
Well, he has to.
Yeah.
And plus, if he doesn't, we could accuse him of
Wait.
stolen property.
Wait, hold on. I think he's gonna go back around. Brandon, you're a bozo. Hey, that's my hood. What are you doing? Give me back my hood.
Yeah, I'll meet you guys at Pizza Pub.
Can I have my hood, please? Come back, you fat bozo. you fat bozo. Come on, give me my hood. Come on, you bozo. Come on. Why do I keep calling everyone bozos? You are both bozos. They're both bozos. I'm a bozo. You know what? Forget. I'll try to get the. Hey, no, that's not appropriate for my kind of videos. You bozos, fat bozo, you bozos. Bozos, I'm a bozo. What?
I'm gonna kill you with this key.
You fat bozo. He's dead. Oh, Brandon, wait, where are you going? Oh boy, this is so exciting. Up, down, 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 up, down. A monkey. 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 Cause I'm a monkey. Ow. A monkey. Cause I'm a monkey. Ow. That's it. A monkey. Cause I'm a monkey. Ow. A monkey. And that's it.